So hello viewers, this is the second video of my YouTube channel, and here we are going to discuss index match function. So in my earlier video we have discussed about index and match function. So I know it's an advanced function of the advanced function of the index and match function. So here we are going to use index match function. So before going through the videos, further videos, I will make sure to elaborate the index match function. What is index? What is match function? So in my earlier video, I've already discussed about the things, but still to refresh the memories of my viewers, I will again explain the function so that it will be a clear picture for you and you can have a proper clarity on the on the whole video. So I'll start with the index function. Just keep in mind that index will extract the data from the coordinate. What is coordinate? Coordinate is an intersection of row and match. So it will retrieve value from a specific range. Suppose you have a data over here. If in the index function I want the data from 84, so I'll give the details. So it will extract data from 84. And in the match function, what match function will do? Match function is used to search a specific value in a range of cell and return the relative position of that value within the range. Suppose you have selected this much of data and you want to find the value of 132, like position of the 132, at what position this 132 is occurring. So it will search for you from this range. So it will say it will come in the third position or the third row or the third column. It will give you as a data of one to the third column of third row. It will give the details like this. So we'll go to the further details here. Once I started doing it, we'll have a clarity on how the things work and you'll have a better picture on the things. So for your convenience, so that the video will be short and you will have a proper clarity on the things, I already put the data here. So Jan, April, June, August, December. I need the details of the on the store A, store B, store C, store D, and store E. So these are the expenses for the month. Store A have expense of 55, store B have expense of 57, and store C have expense of 58, store D have expense of 64, store E have expense of 72. So let me put the formula here. Index function. I will take all the data here. Okay, I'll make it fixed reference. In the row column, we need a number. At what row the index function will go and extract the value. So I'll put the match function here. What will be the lookup value? Lookup value will be this one, and make it fix. I will only fix the row, not the column. Sorry, I'll only fix the column, not the row. Comma. What will be the lookup array? Lookup array will be this one. Lookup array means from where the match function will look for the value. Comma. Exact value 0. Now it is asking for the column. See here. Here the things will be clear out. Whenever you put a formula, Excel will show the reference, like what you need to put after you're putting the one value. So here we need to put the column. Now for column I'll again use the match function. Match, what will be the lookup value will be Jan, and here I'll put a reference. I'll put absolute reference to the row number only 24. And what will be the lookup array? Lookup array will be this one, from where your value will exactly look for the data. Comma, exact match, I need the exact match, comma, again bracket, then let's go 55. If I select the data, see, we got all the details here. Now let me Let me put the details over down also. See, done. Now see, sorry, in December, store C have a total expense of 64. See, in December, store have a total expense of 64. D December have a total expense of 71. D December total expense of 71. So it's a basic method. It's not that advanced, but if you don't have the that XLOOKUP function in your Excel, you can use this one, because XLOOKUP function come after 2019 version of the Excel. I believe, I don't quote me on this one because I don't know exactly when it came. But in the earlier version like 2013 model, 2000 version or 2007 version, we don't have this function. So in that case, we can use the index match function to resolve your things, or to get a resolution for your formula. It replicate the XLOOKUP function. So that's all for this video. I hope it will it is work out with you guys. And you have anything queries or any question arise in your mind, please call me. Sorry, please comment me, and I will try to solve as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Thank for the views and love you all. See you in another video of some excited Excel formula.